Canva training. So today I'm looking at your brand kit. I've opened up the free version of Canva, which you can add to, I think it's 3 colors to this. You can't add any logos to the logo area, and you can't select what fonts you want. But at least you can have your brand kit, so your colors are always available for when you need to do anything on your posts and things. Okay, so if you have a look, this is the home screen. And if you look down the bottom, like I said, I'm using the free version, and you can see brand kit has the crown. So the full accessibility of this part, you have to upgrade to the pro version. And up here you can see there's a try pro version. You get a 30-day free trial, I believe, which means that you can access all of the different parts of the brand kits and other things, photos, all kinds of things. You can use in all of your bits and pieces. So let's have a look at the brand kit. If you click on there, you'll see it's got the crown there, so it won't allow you to add any. Each time you press the plus sign, it asks you to upgrade, which you can do for 30 days if you find that you've got a few things that you want to get sorted, done. It's worth doing. It's a brilliant system, so the upgrade is worth it, but only if you're going to use it. And then just gather all your hex codes together, and then you can create your brand kit. So if you see here, you can rename it if you want to. So if it's the name of your business or something else, up to you. So you click on the plus sign, and then you enter in the hex code of your color. Okay, and then it automatically populates in there. Then you can add another one if you wish to. So and also a third one on here now. Don't really know, just going to put any numbers in, see what happens. There we go, got a nice green. Okay, so, and you'll see now that the crown has arrived, so you cannot go any further with your brand kit unless you upgrade to pro. If you're on the pro versions, like I say, you can add your logos in there if you you can. You can also change your text style, so you can sort out the fonts that you want, so you can add those in. Again, when you click on them now on the free version, you're not able to do that. You can also upload fonts here if you've got some that you've already purchased. Then you can upload those files here as well and use them on the system. So that's all about the brand kit.